Here are the fruits. Here are the fruits. Here are the fruits of one tree. And the leaves of one branch, of one tree. And the leaves of one branch, of one tree. And the leaves of one branch. Deal ye one with another, with the utmost love and harmony, with friendliness and fellowship. He who is the day star of truth beareth me witness. So powerful is the light of unity that it can illuminate the whole earth. So powerful is the light of unity that it can illuminate the whole earth. So powerful is the light of unity that it can illuminate the whole earth. Here are the fruits of one tree, and the leaves of one branch. Deal ye one with another, with the utmost love and harmony, with friendliness and fellowship. He who is the day star of truth beareth me witness. So powerful is the light of unity that it can illuminate the whole earth. Yeah, all the fruits of one tree, and the leaves of one branch. Deal ye one with another, with the utmost love and harmony, with friendliness and fellowship. He who is the day star of truth beareth me witness. So powerful is the light of unity that it can illuminate the whole